Hi, my name is Bethany Kaczynski, and I am currently in Virginia. I'm super excited about starting this course and this whole semester actually. Um, so this is a research course. So far, I actually haven't done a whole lot with research. I mean, of course, I've taken courses in my undergrad that deal with research, but I never followed through with any opportunity to actually like do research or participate in research. It was something that I wanted to do, but never quite took the plunge, even though I really wanted to. So this is pretty exciting. I'm pretty excited to learn some new skills, especially with Excel, especially when you can really like put that into practice in your everyday life. I use Excel for a couple of things like budgeting and random planning and stuff. So it's skills that I will absolutely use. Um, and I think that that's kind of what makes research fun is being able to learn a skill, apply it into my own life or I guess future practice because Excel is I think something that is not going away in the near future. And then just yeah, being able to tighten up my all around skills. Going through some literature, learning some really cool things as I always do in these courses and just throughout again undergraduate. I did really like when we were let loose to explore our own findings. Really, it's not just kind of what the professor was teaching at the front of the room. We really got to make some discoveries for ourselves in literature and things that we wouldn't normally find. And I just think that that's a really cool and really fun way to learn. So yeah, I'm really excited for this course, and I'm looking forward to meeting you all in our sessions. Bye.